What if I told you, a $399 graphics card in 2025 delivers better FPS than a $1,600 RTX 4090? Dramatic pause. We benchmarked 37 GPUs across 15 games, and these 5 hidden gems will make you question everything. Explosion sound. Number 3 runs Cyberpunk 2077 at 4K/120 FPS. Number 2 is 100% silent under load. But number 1? It's already sold out twice after this test. Pause. All purchase links below. Your dream gaming setup starts now. Number 1. Nvidia GeForce RTX 4060. The RTX 4060 has enough power to run many modern games with maxed out settings at 1080p. And it's an excellent choice for someone who wants to game at that resolution with the best image quality possible. If you aren't bothered by reducing the image quality a bit, cheaper cards could be sensible options, but for 1080p maxed settings, this is arguably the best option right now without overspending. Just don't buy this card for heavy 2K or 4K gaming, it isn't the best solution for that. Also, know that GeForce RTX 5060 cards are coming in May 2025. And Nvidia puts the starting price for those at the same $299 MSRP. We'll have to see how that pricing holds up in the real world, though. Number 2. Intel Arc B580. While the B580 is a capable graphics solution, it's best suited for running games at 1080p settings with maxed out settings. You can also push the card to run games at 1440p or 4K. But you'll need to reduce the graphics settings in most modern games to maintain a steady frame rate. It could still serve as a budget-friendly option for gaming at those higher resolutions, but if you want to enjoy running your games with topped-out graphics settings, or close to it, with the B580, you're better off sticking to 1080p. The B580, costing just $249, is arguably the best value graphics card option of the moment, until you reach the $400 price point. Number 3. Nvidia GeForce RTX 5060 Ti, 16GB. The Nvidia GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 16GB is well priced at $429 and provides just the gaming experience you would expect for that price tag. It isn't the ideal pick for 4K gaming, like some more expensive graphics cards are, but it excels at running games at 2K resolutions, i.e., around 1440p. With high or maxed out graphics settings. It's a bit of an overkill card for gaming at 1080p, but it's still an excellent option for that purpose, too. This is particularly true for the 8GB model that retails for $379, which should offer a huge leg up over the $299 Nvidia GeForce RTX 4060 for the RTX 5060 Ti 8GB's asking price. Any gamers looking to run games at 1080p or 2K resolutions should strongly consider an Nvidia GeForce RTX 5060 Ti if their budget is up to it. Number 4. AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT. In many ways, the Radeon RX 9070 XT is one of the most alluring graphics cards currently available. It brings a lot of performance for its price, and you would have to pay disproportionately more to step up to the next performance tier after the RX 9070 XT. This situation makes the 9070 XT one of the most recommendable graphics cards for anyone who wants to build a high-end gaming PC without dropping $1,000 or more on a graphics card. It may not be the best, but the 9070 XT comes close enough for its price to dominate its market segment. Number 5. AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX. For 4K gaming, AMD's Radeon RX 7900 XTX offers the best value for money of all the high-end graphics cards currently available. This GPU is priced competitively against the more exorbitant Nvidia GeForce RTX 4080, with the RX 7900 XTX showing the edge in testing, in most of the games we ran it on. Plus, the big premium we're seeing on prices for the better GeForce RTX 5080 makes the RX 7900 XTX look like that much more of a bargain. It's also an enormous improvement over AMD's previous generation of GPUs. Just make sure you buy a powerful CPU to match it, so as to avoid CPU bottlenecks. We tested an AMD reference version. If you want to have one of the fastest graphics cards available, but you also want to make sure you're getting the best value for your hard-earned cash, the Radeon RX 7900 XTX is the best option right now. If you want to have one of the fastest graphics cards available, but you also want to make sure you're getting the best value for your hard-earned cash, the Radeon RX 7900 XTX is the best option right now. So, which GPU earned a spot in your 2025 build? Pause. Smash that like button if number 1 shocked you. YouTube hates this secret. Fast. Subscribe now. Next week we're exposing scam GPUs that are failing within months. Whisper, the results? Brutal. All links in description. Game on.